Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how to disable flip camera on any iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video and write comments after watching. And dear friends, let us get down to the topic. First of all, you will need to open the phone settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and select the option called Camera. Here you will need to find this section. After that, find the option in it which is called Reflect Front Camera. If you have it enabled, as I currently have it, then your front camera will mirror your photo. If you want to disable this feature and flip the camera, then just click on this button right here so that it stays grayed out. This way you will disable the inverted camera. Dear friends, I really hope this video helped you. You have seen how you can easily disable the inverted camera on iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also friends, please put your likes under this video. See you soon.